Welcome to CodeCraft by MAK, your gateway to mastering coding from zero to advanced. In this Python series, I will take you step by step through everything you need to know to become confident in Python programming. Today we are starting with the basics, an introduction to Python. By the end of this video, you will know what Python is, why it is so popular, and where it is used in the real world. So what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language created back in 1991 by Gordo van Rossum. What makes it special is its simplicity. Python syntax is clean, almost like English, which makes it easy for beginners to learn. At the same time, it's powerful enough to build complex applications. Now you might be asking, why should I learn Python? Here are a few reasons. It's beginner friendly, perfect if you are just starting. It has a huge community, meaning you will always find tutorials, solutions, and support. It's multi-purpose, from building websites to AI, and most importantly, there are great career opportunities. Python is one of the most in-demand skills in today's job market. Python is everywhere. Here are just a few areas where it shines. In web development, with frameworks like Django and Flask. In artificial intelligence and machine learning, powering tools like ChatGPT. In data science, where libraries like Pandas and NumPy help analyze huge amounts of data. In automation, where Python scripts can save hours of repetitive work. And even in game development for creating interactive experiences. So that's a quick introduction to Python. Simple, powerful, and everywhere. In our next video, we will install Python in our computer and write our first Python program, Hello World. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay updated with the complete Python series here at CodeCraft by MAK. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.